Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into a Louis credit card account using your desktop. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start off by opening up your web browser. And in the web address bar that pops up at the top, type in lois.sif.com. Press enter on your keyboard, and you'll end up in this page over here if you're a new user for Louis credit card accounts. And since you've not registered and activated your account, you can click on any of the cards over here that you'd like to sign up with, and click on register and activate. If you already have an account, from the returning users tab, select one of the cards that you'd like to use while logging into your account. And right where it says use your ID, enter your user ID in the text box. Make sure to enter the correct information when it comes to logging into your account. In case you don't remember your issue ID, you can click on Look Up My User ID link and follow the on-screen prompts in order to look for your user ID. If you'd like the system to remember you use your ID with this particular device, click on Remember Me but leave it unchecked for logging into your account. If you're using a public device or a shared computer accurate and typing in a user ID, click the Sign In button. Now on the next page, you'll be able to see the password box popping up. Type in your password for your accounts. In case you don't remember your password, click on Reset Your Password link and follow the on-screen prompts in order to reset to a new password. After you're done entering your credentials, and both of them are correct, click the Login button in blue. And that is how you should be able to log into your Louis credit card account right away. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have anything to say to us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.